Hi all. In our today's session, let's discuss about cloud computing architecture. Cloud computing architecture comprises of many cloud components which are of loosely coupled. We can broadly divide the cloud architecture into two parts, the front end and the back end. Each of these ends is connected through a network which is usually internet. Right? So the front end, it refers to the client part of the cloud computing system. It consists of interfaces and applications that are required to access the cloud computing platforms. Say, for example, web browser. It can be Firefox, Google Chrome, or any of it. So, coming to the back end, it refers to the cloud itself. It consists of all the resources required to provide the cloud computing services. It comprises of huge data storage, virtual machines, security mechanism, services, deployment models, servers, etc. Right? So it is the responsibility of the backend to provide built-in security mechanism, traffic control, and protocols. Right? So then, cloud computing stakeholders. Who are the stakeholders involved here? So we have cloud provider, cloud user, and end user. So the cloud providers provide cloud services to the cloud users. These cloud services are of the form of utility computing. That is, the cloud users use the services in pay-as-you-go model. So the cloud users then they develop their product using the services and deliver the product to the end user. Clear? Say for example, Facebook. So this application is hosted on AWS, which is a service provided by the cloud provider. So the application owner here is the cloud user. And who is using it? We end users, right? So we are the end users. Then benefits of cloud computing. So what are the different benefits we have here? Applications as utilities over internet, right? So you can manipulate and configure applications online. You do not need to install any software. We can do development and deployment online. Pay as you go model, so you can pay for what you have used. It's cost effective and high efficiency, reliability, and flexibility, right? So then, history of cloud computing. In 1961, McCarthy have told that computing can be sold like a utility, just like water or electricity. In 1966, Douglas Sparkle have mentioned all the modern day characteristics in his book, The Challenge of the Computer Utility. In 1969, JCR have developed ARPANET, which is Advanced Research Projects Agency Network. His goal was people to be interconnected and access data from anywhere in the world and from any site. In 1980s, supercomputing centers were formed. In 1990, there was a rise of the internet. In 1999, Salesforce was launched. In 2002, Amazon Web Services was launched. In 2006, Amazon launched Elastic Cloud Compute. In 2008, Google App Engine was launched. And also, Gartner begins the talk of cloud. In 2010, Microsoft Azure was launched. And also, Rackspace OpenStack was launched. In 2011, IBM Smart Cloud was launched. In 2013, Google Compute Engine was launched. So, the evolution of cloud computing has continued to grow at fast speeds with significant future potential. What's next? The public cloud vendors are looking into cutting edge technologies like IoT and machine learning. So, it is expected that these technologies would form the backbone of the next wave of cloud computing. That's all for today's session. Thank you.